Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox has an update. We are now at Firefox 150.0.2. So it's a minor update. If you go and open Firefox, go to the upper right hamburger menu and go down to Help and About Firefox. You will see that you will be today, May 26th, sent to 151.0.2. Now, this fixes a few problems with split view. It fixes a few problems with crashes also, including some on the Mac OS, and a few other things that aren't right, including menus that are not opening right on certain web pages and so on. So this means just a few minor little things that if you had problems, this will probably fix it. And of course, this will come automatically anyways, and anyone that is using Firefox browser has the update automatically when we open the browser in general. So no security updates, so there's no rush to install or update anything here because there's really absolutely nothing security. It's really just a good list of little bug fixes that are being done. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.